Hi, and welcome back to Odoo. We previously saw that basic warehouse operations are important, but some other aspects of inventory management are also vital. In this case, we'll look at inventory adjustments, which are the defined increases or decreases of our inventory. This is really useful for retailers like us at Stealthy Wood because it helps us adjust our inventory taking into account everything that can happen, such as theft, loss, and errors. In other words, it serves to match our inventory with the actual on-hand quantities. As I run a business where products can present flaws or where accessories could disappear for one reason or another, I'll look at my database to see how I can make adjustments to stay on top of my organization. So let's look at that right now. All right, so here we are back at my database for my company, Stealthy Wood. Now, the first thing we're going to do is jump into the inventory application. So, of course, there are several ways to verify my inventory adjustments, but I'll begin with the easiest, the manual stock adjustment. So what I'm going to do is go to Master Data, Products, choose one of my products. In this case, it'll be Chair 1. And then I will simply click on the button right here on the top left, Update Quantity on Hand. As we can see right now, Odoo believes that we do not have anything on hand, but perhaps I noticed somewhere in my stock that I actually do have a few of this product. So I'm going to go ahead and update this here in my system. So I'm going to say I found 5 of this product, and I'm going to apply. So we can see that change immediately right here on the product template, but we can also go to Operations, Inventory Adjustments, and see everything that has happened as well. So we can see the details of that move right here. So let's go ahead and select on this. Okay. All right, so I have my theoretical quantity and my real quantity. Okay, so Odoo saw that we didn't have any on hand, but actually we did. I had some in my shop, so I went ahead and changed that. So the real quantity is 5. All right, and if we go to our inventory adjustments tab, we have more details about the move as well. So it went from a virtual location to our stock. All right, and it's validated. Okay, so now what I want to do is create an inventory adjustment for my entire stock. Okay, so maybe every year I go through to be sure that the quantities that I actually have match the quantities that Odoo thinks that I have. All right, so to do that, I'll simply create a new one. So I can click on the Create button right here. I'm going to call this Annual Inventory. Okay, so I can say that this will be for all of my products, which is what I'm going to do. However, I can also choose one product category, a specific product. I can select products manually, or I can say that this adjustment will be for one lot or serial number. So you have a lot of options here. That's really nice. All right, of course, the inventory date will be for today. And I can even include exhausted products if I would like to. I'm not going to do that, but know that that option is there for you. So let's go ahead and start this inventory. All right, so here we are. We have all of our products. Okay, and from this page, I can either set all of the quantities to 0. So maybe I had a huge sale. I don't have anything left in stock, so I want to simply start from scratch. I can click on this button, and it will automatically set the real quantity to 0 for all of my products here. Or I can just modify the real quantity line by line. Okay, so of course, initially, the theoretical quantity will match the real quantity because Odoo doesn't know how much you actually have on hand. It just determines what you have on hand based on your sales orders and your purchase orders. All right, so let's go ahead and modify this first product. Okay, so let's say instead of 500 of this product, I actually only have 400. So I can change that right here. And I can do this for all of my products. Okay, so once we're done, we'll simply click on Validate Inventory. And you'll have everything right here. In blue will be the products that you made the adjustments for. All right, and you can see your entire inventory, so you know exactly what's going on. And of course, this is automatically updated on the product template as well. So as you can see, it's super easy to make adjustments to your inventory using Odoo. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.